Feel like a real YouTuber. Except my camera's sitting on a box and a tripod. Welcome to my basement, first of all. In case you don't know, which I'm pretty sure nobody knows, my name is Carly Triponi. For this astronomy project, I was thinking, you know what? I could talk about aliens, which, I mean, who wouldn't want to talk about aliens? They have to exist. There's a bunch of other galaxies. It could be like us. Or they could be weird and green and super smart. Or I could talk about black holes. Now, black holes really fascinate me because there's a black hole at the center of our galaxy. There's a black hole at the center of all the other galaxies. And there's a black hole within our galaxy, not just the center of it. So black holes are pretty cool. I mean, they kind of just suck up everything. Kind of like a garbage can, except garbage cans don't suck up everything. Life would be so much easier if they just sucked stuff up. I don't know, whatever. Maybe we'll get there in the future. So I'm thinking, you know what? We need to talk about what we know so far about black hole. You know, things like how a black hole forms or how big they are. What would happen if you were to enter a black hole? Which, I mean, pretty sure you just die. But if we get to the point where we can actually enter one and see what happens, who knows? We'll see. Future us. Congratulations for making it that far. Next topic is questions we want answered. Like, if we enter a black hole, does it lead us to another universe? Or how long is a black hole? Because we don't know. As far as we know, you enter the event horizon and then that's the end. That's as far as we know. I mean, things just kind of die. And there's lots of movies out there that say or show people entering a black hole or a wormhole and they end up in another dimension. Maybe that's possible too. And then the third topic, which I came across today, was a professor who claimed that black holes do not exist. She mathematically proved that black holes don't exist. And I found this article very weird. Not exactly an article that you would pick to do an assignment on because the website was not very credible. And we do have pictures of black holes. To me, talking more about black holes is important because learning more about them will help us understand what will happen when our universe ends, which is a long way from now. Long way, and it might even help us understand through creation of like why we're here, how we got here, you know, all those questions that people think they, you know, different answers for, and understanding gravity more. I mean, obviously we know what gravity is. You drop something, it's gonna fall, but having like a really true understanding of gravity. And I mean, also because black holes are cool. I mean, have you seen what a black hole looks like? That just looks interesting. I just tried filming this about 20 times and kept calling black holes galaxies.